Alright, so I got an unboxing here for everyone today. Ordered a bunch of sled parts. Sorry about the Christmas stuff, still up. Anyways, ordered a bunch of sled parts, accessories, and some products. So I'm going to do an unboxing tonight. My sled's still at the shop, so until that arrives here I can't put this on the sled, but I'm going to show you what I ordered. First of all, I want to thank Peak Boys for sending me this oil. They're really great, easy to deal with. And they had all the oil in stock that I needed. Now, I am an AMSOIL dealer, but given that this sled has always been on Skidoo synthetic, I didn't want to change that. So, I went ahead and got some Skidoo oil. I've never bought Skidoo oil or owned Skidoo oil. It's XPS, E-Tech, 2-Tech, so it's made for the motor, made for the 800 E-Tech that I have. And yeah, it says for Rotex, E-Tech, DI, SDI, and high performance carbureted engines. Mine's not carbureted, but it's full synthetic, and it's what you got to run on the sled. So, happy to have my first jug. This is 1 US gallon or close to 4 liters here in Canada. Again, thank you Peak Boys for sending me this. It's amazing. Next, what do we got here, huh? What do we got? Alright, get that oil out of there. This is from Macintosh Power and Leisure. Shout out Macintosh. One of the best Skidoo dealers around, and they're great and easy to deal with as well. Never cut. I'm not really best with a steak knife. Okay, so first we got the Link or LINQ bracket. Yes, this bracket is going to be going on the back of the sled in the holes that I have drilled, and it will be holding this in place. Perfect. Receipt. Oh wow, nice and wrapped. Look at here, look at here. One sec, one sec. This thing is fresh. Ta-da! Nice. This is a nice bag. I haven't even opened it up yet. Look at this. Oh, what the hell? I got an extra bracket, huh? So I got the bracket I ordered. The bracket I ordered and a bracket that came with it. Now I might have to sell these. Might have to sell one of these because I didn't know it came with one. That's fine. Anyways, this is the bracket, or this is the Skidoo bag. Looks like it can hold a lot of stuff in there. Of course, you got the link on the bottom. Sweet. Not even sure how this works yet, just because I've never owned the Skidoo, but I got the brackets. The sled already has pre-drilled holes in them. My sled already has pre-drilled holes in them. In the tunnel, so once you get the sled back out of the shop, we'll put that bad boy on. That's mint. Thanks Macintosh Power. There you have it. What's next? We'll find out. Now, can any of you guess, if you can't see what this box is already, what it's going to have in it? Okay, well, a little backstory. I looked into some prices because I wasn't completely comfortable that the sled doesn't have a pull cord on it. I was like, what sled doesn't have a pull cord? But this is news to me, the Skidoos don't have pull cords on a lot of the new ones. So, instead of getting one installed, because a pull cord and recoil, which is just a ridiculous price they're making you pay, I took it amongst myself to use some gift cards that I got for Christmas to buy a multifunctional jump starter. This was straight off of Royal Distributing's website. Shout out Royal Distributing, a Canadian company here, that sold me this. And oh wow, look at that. Comes in a real nice case here, bolt power. So instead of having a recoil pull cord installed on my sled, I'm just going to carry this battery pack. Which, oh yeah, this thing is mint. There's a couple different options I had for this. It's got 2 USB outputs. It's got a light on it somewhere. Anyways, this one, there's 2 battery packs. I went with the bigger one. This one has a starting voltage of 12 volts. The start current is 750 amps. Peak current is 1500 amps. It's got a lifespan of 1,000 uses. So for the price I paid, it'll definitely get me through the season. And there's also a Skidoo version. I know they make a Skidoo version. However, I didn't even know that till after the fact. So it is what it is. Oh, and it comes with a USB input that has a USB-C, an iPhone, all these different types of cords. So I'm definitely going to carry this. Not only am I going to use this to boost my sled if it's a very cold day, I'm going to use it to charge my phone on the trail if I need it. So this is the battery pack, these are the jump cords, and obviously this is a portable battery pack. You plug this side into this here, and then it boosts it. So on a really cold day out on the trail, or from up north, and the sled won't start after a cold night, I got this battery pack, and I can also use it to charge my phone on the day doing the trail. So I'm going to be able to put that over here for a second. Put this battery pack in here on the back of my sled and carry it in there, no problem, no hesitation at all. So I'm pumped for that. That'll be really nice, and I'll have that extra reassurance on the colder days. So just to show everyone here, this battery pack I can charge my phone with. Has a USB, 2 USB outputs, this light, and it's a big battery pack jump starter. So looking forward to hopefully not having to use this, but it'll be a really good safety precaution having this in the trail. And whether it's a light or a phone charge or a battery boost I need, it'll be good to carry with me. Also, before I forget, this is a 17-liter Link sport bag. It's not the 41 or the 21, obviously you might be able to tell that, but it's got a hard shell in the bottom, and again, 17 liters, pumped to use it. Link is known for the best system out there. It's a very simple way of connecting everything you need to your sled. So I'm really excited to use this for storage and put this on the sled. I think it'll look sharp. Handle carry bag on the side, it's mint. Stay tuned for future videos. I'm going to be recording when I pick my sled up from the shop and installing all of these products on my sled and using them. I'm really pumped that all this arrived, and I can't wait to use this. I have a few trips north coming up at the next couple weeks in January, and we're going to do a lot of riding, so I'm going to use all these products. I'm super pumped. Stay tuned for the next video where I see how these work on the sled. I hope you like this unboxing, subscribe for more, and like this video, give it a thumbs up. Thanks guys.